Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to confirm your location on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betmgm.com. Once you press enter, they will ask you to select your location. So from this list, make sure to select the correct location. If you can't find your location in this list, then Betmgm is not available in the country. If you want to use this app, you'll have to use VPN. Now to confirm your location, click on this icon at the top bar and then click on Site Setting. Now once you get to this page, under Permissions section, you will find out Location. Click on this drop down and then click Allow. Once you do so, close this tab and then reload your page. After you reload your page, select the location from this list. Make sure to select the correct location, and that's how you confirm your location on Betmgm. Now you can log into your account and then enter your login credentials in these boxes. After that, click on Login. After you do so, you will confirm your location and log into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.